Hello guys! Who says that a father cannot take care of their baby? Today, it's Sammy and I because the mom has gone out for an emergency work. So our journey begins. Right? Where is mom? Let us close it. She moved. Let's change it, okay? Let's change it. Let's change the diaper. Okay? Wait for it, okay? This is a wiper, whoever the dad is. So you have to take this so that you can wipe it smoothly. Don't do it with a hard clothes or something. It's always advisable to wipe with a very smooth tissue paper. So this is a wiper. And this is a diaper. Alright, let us change. Sleep, 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 sleep. She's struggling really hard to sleep, so I have to do something to make her sleep. She is very sleepy now, but finding difficult to sleep as she's used to breastfeeding and let her sleep. She must be wondering what is happening in her life.
It looks easy, but it is not at all easy. Now let us make a formula milk, for example, before she wakes up, so that instead of making her to cry and I'm alone here, so instead of taking the trouble, let me make it now, so that by the time she wakes up it will be a little bit colder. By the time she wakes up, I'll be ready with the formula of milk. Alright, let's make it.
Well, baby, hey, 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 hey. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
So guys, that is our journey, and it is not at all easy for a father to take care of a baby. This makes me realize to respect more to my wife and all the women out there. You are doing really, really, really great. And to all the fathers, this is my request, that you spend more time with your baby and give more respect to your wife. Thank you so much. We will meet next time. Alright?